This video shows how you create and manage data for maintenance spares and supplies that will be assigned to complete maintenance work orders. Though this example is done with the web edition, the interface and steps for standard and professional editions are similar. Click on Parts in the main tab on the home page. You will see a list of spares and supplies, if any are defined in the system. You can add a new entry or edit existing entries. Let us open the entry for 55WC lube oil. You have a variety of fields you can enter information. Make sure to enter a part price, since FastMaint can use this to calculate the material cost of work orders. You should also enter the quantity in stock and reorder level. FastMaint will automatically reduce quantities in stock when a work order that uses this part is started. The reorder level is useful to identify parts that need to be purchased when you create purchase orders. At any point, click on the Help button. You can see useful information on what to enter in the different fields. Click on the Equipment tab and specify equipment that require this part for maintenance. This can be useful at a later date if you retire any equipment and wish to identify parts that are no longer required. Click on Locations or Stores to specify where the part is stored. This can be useful to maintenance personnel when they are collecting items required to complete work orders assigned to them. Click on the other tabs to see tasks that use this part. Vendors or supplies for this part. If you have defined any custom fields for parts, you can also enter them. For example, you may want to create a custom field for the manufacturer's part number, which may be different from the one you use in your site. Once completed, you may save your changes. If you go to the Administration tab in the main home page, you can define custom fields on parts. If you go to Groups on this tab, you can restrict users' rights to view or modify part information based on the group they belong to.